Good day everyone, this is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Kakaiba, di ba? Not the usual dish na niluluto mo. Ready ka na? Tara, luto tayo. Torta. This is a Spanish term which means cake or flatbread. Madaming klase ng torta around the world. Torta could be a cake or a sweet dessert in some countries, and it can also be a savory dish like omelet in some. Dito sa atin, may version din tayo niyan. If you go to Visayas and Mindanao, torta can be referred to a sweet bread or pastry na kilala din sa tawag na mamon. Dito sa Luzon, when you say torta, iisipin mo agad ay tortang talong. Let's do a different version today. I'll share with you 2 other veggies na pwede mong gawing torta. First dish, Tortang Sigarilyas. Ano bang kailangan natin? We need 1/4 kilogram of sigarilyas or wing beans chopped, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, minced garlic, minced onions, garlic powder, onion powder, eggs, and salt and pepper. Alright, so prep muna natin yung sigarilyas. Hiniwa ko lang siya ng maninipis na piraso kagaya nito. 2 tali ng sigarilyas yung gagamitin ko dito. In a pot of boiling water, pakuluan lang natin yung sigarilyas. Kailangan natin gawin ito para maging malambot ito before natin itorta. Kailangan nating pakuluan ito ng mga 7 to 8 minutes or until tender na. At this point, ready na yung sigarilyas natin. Hanguin lang natin and palamigin. In a bowl, mix lang natin yung cornstarch and all-purpose flour sa sigarilyas. Ilagay na rin natin yung garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and salt. Nag-add din ako ng fresh garlic and onions for added flavor. Ilagay na rin natin yung itlog. Nag-start ako sa 3 eggs pero you can adjust these ingredients depende sa consistency ng magagawa nyong batter. Mix lang natin lahat making sure na well combined na lahat ng ingredients. What we're looking for here ay yung consistency ng pancake batter. At this point, ready na yung mixture natin. Just make sure na iprito nyo agad para hindi magtubig yung batter. In a pan, magpainit lang tayo ng mantika. Maglagay lang tayo ng about a tablespoon ng mixture natin sa pan para lang tayong gumagawa ng burger patty. We just have to shallow fry this for 3 to 4 minutes each side or until mag-form ng crust yung ilalim. Just make sure na medium heat lang para hindi masunog. Once cooked, fish it out and drain the excess oil using a strainer and paper towel. Set aside lang natin. Next dish, Tortang Pechay Baguio. We need 1 head of napa cabbage, also known as Pechay Baguio, chopped. 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, minced garlic, minced onions, garlic powder, onion powder, eggs, and salt and pepper. Unlike the first recipe, hindi na natin kailangan pakuluan yung cabbage. In a bowl, mix lang natin yung garlic and onion sa veggie natin. Let's also throw in our salt and pepper. Then our garlic powder and our onion powder. Next is yung ating all-purpose flour and cornstarch. You can just use all-purpose flour, but I prefer my torta to be a bit crispy kaya merong cornstarch. Lastly, our eggs. Again, I started with 3, pero you can adjust it depending on your preference. Mix them together, making sure na well combined lahat ng ingredients. Since medyo dry pa yung mixture natin, nag-add pa ako ng 2 itlog. Mix lang natin hanggang magmukha siyang pancake batter. Same process lang just like the previous recipe. In a pan, magpainit lang tayo ng mantika. We just need to form a patty using a spoon. Same drill, fry lang natin ng 3 to 4 minutes per side. Alam nyo ba na ang Japanese version of this recipe is called okonomiyaki, na ginagamitan naman ng shredded cabbage and your choice of protein. Flip lang natin on the other side and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Hanguin lang natin and drain the excess oil using some paper towels. Alright, plate na natin. Pwede tayong mag-drizzle ng mayonnaise or ketchup sa ibabaw. I-serve na rin natin to with different sauces or dips para may options. And there you have it everyone, our Tortang Sigarilyas and Tortang Pechay Baguio. Serve mo na to sa family mo tonight. Thanks for watching everyone, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
subscribe ka na rin and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future recipes na i-share ko. And share mo na rin to sa mga friends and family members mong mahilig kumain at magluto. And also don't forget to follow KMACS Kitchen on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any questions or any suggested dish na gusto nyo lutuin ko, please comment down below. Malay mo, next episode natin yun na yung lutuin ko. Again, this is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Tara, kain tayo!